Hey, my name's Ray. Welcome back to Kies Motorsports. Today, we're going to be installing these TLG Guards on my 2017 Porsche Macan S. Now, if you don't have a Macan S like I do, this will also work for your GTS, a turbo, and the base model. Whether you have a Generation 1 or a Generation 1 with a facelift or a Generation 1 with a second facelift, which means you have 95B. Now, before we get started, let's talk about why you may want TLG Guards for your Porsche Macan. Now, if you look right here, all Macans come with a little piece of PPF. This is Porsche's Band-Aid fix for protecting your car from rocks and debris. But as you can see, it should be 3 times larger because my paint is still damaged from all the rocks shooting down my car. But today we're gonna show you just how easy it is to fix that problem with TLG Guards, and you don't even have to take your wheels off. So let's talk about the tools we're gonna be using. Here we have a Phillips, we have a T25, and personally, I like to use a ratchet, so we have that attached, or you can use a 90-degree tool. So let's start with the front driver's side. We're gonna grab guard number 65, and also one of the screws provided. First part of the process, you're gonna wanna grab your T25 and unscrew your screw from the fender liner. So after you finish unscrewing that, you want to grab your guard and face the number 65 towards your car and line it up. And then you can reinstall this screw. Now don't tighten it all the way, as you do want to shift it over and make sure you have it properly lined up. I like to look down the side of my car to make sure it's flush with the offset of my wheel. Once you line your guard, you're going to grab your Phillips screw and thread it in the bottom plastic. Now you may have to put a lot of pressure to get this started. After this is tight, go back and tighten the top. Now for the rear, you're gonna grab guard number 66 and remove the 2 T25 screws. Then take your rear guard and reinstall these 2 T25s. And that's how easy it is. If you want to get yourself a pair of TLG Guards for your Porsche Macan, make sure you check the links in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out Kies.com for all your Porsche mods. Once again, I'm Ray, and I'll see you in the next video.